Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's video we are going to look up to 5 profitable book niches to sell on Amazon KDP as a beginner. So guys, the first thing that you can sell here on Amazon KDP is puzzle book. So we are going to look up to ideas of what you can sell on Amazon KDP. So you can see here the hardest hidden pictures book ever, hidden object. So you can see we have ultimate puzzle challenge. So for ideas, you can come here to uh, to Amazon KDP. So the puzzle book it consists of Sudoku. Also we have word search, we have mazes, we have the brain teasers. So let's check on the word search. Word search books for adults. And also another good thing about this thing is there are other AI generator that can help you to create these word search puzzles. So you can see this one have been sold 2,854 times. So they are brain games. We can see large print word search spiral. So let me look at inside of this book. We can see the idea of what we are talking about. So you can see here the word starting with BLA. You can see the words have been listed here. All you have to do here is to come here to the puzzle, look for the words on this puzzle. So just imagine creating this product continuously, like creating 100 and also their word puzzle or word search generator outside here. So you just need to list every word listed. So you see love in the air, every word listed here. All you have to do here is to change the title here, change the words and also the puzzle. So let's say the interior, easy to read, fun to solve. Also you can choose to do that to create word searches for kids. So let's head to our second type of book niches that you can sell on KDP Amazon. So our second one that you can sell here is logbook. Logbooks. So for the logbooks, it consists of bullets. There is bullet journals. There is habit trackers. Also there is fitness tracker, etc., etc. So let's look to few ideas. You can see we have logbooks, there is habit tracker. So we can choose, let's look at fitness tracker or fitness journal. We have workout journal, legend fitness journal. So you have an idea of what we are talking about. You can just look up on Amazon. Our other products that you can sell here is called coloring books. There is coloring books for kids, for adults, for women, for etc. etc. The first one we have here, the best selling is stress relief. This one is for adults and kids. We have little corner. We have 100 flowers adult coloring book. Wow, see how cute it is, Jade Summer. You see how cute they look. Let's see the next 7 pages to see how they. So you can see the owner of this product have put the watermark. So all he has done or she has done is create different coloring images of of flowers. There's so many. The list is endless. But you can see the internal is showing the coloring that we have here. So, and also the good thing about coloring book is we have so many AI that can help you to create this this coloring book. For coloring, we have adult, we have themed, we have the mandalas, we have nature. For kids, we have animals, we have A to Z, we have alphabetic, which is A to Z, we have princesses, we have unicorns, we have cars. Like, it's so wide. For coloring books, it's so wide. Like, you can just choose to concentrate on one. Like, say you concentrate on coloring books only without even doing the other book niches. So the next one that you can sell here on Amazon and make more money. It's so simple for any beginner are activity books. Sorry, activity books for kids. So for activity books for kids, we have puzzles, we have games. I think we have seen this one for dot to dot. There is mismatch. Yeah, you can see there dot to dot. We have puzzles. There's also word searches. Yeah. So, and the last type of book nature that you can sell here on Amazon is ebooks. So for ebooks, you can choose to do for kids, also for adults, like the storytelling ones. They are the ones which are called ebooks. You can see this one. It's so simple about a worm, Wiggly the worm, bedtime stories for kids. So this one I think have listed. So wow, so see. So, and also the good thing about this is you can create these images or this ebook using AI. All you have to do is to know your prompt and also to know the good topic that the kids will love to read. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you watch my next videos. Yeah. Bye.